Hey, we're at the PCC Auto Collision Open House. Let's walk around and look at some cars. This looks familiar. Well, that was a lot of fun. It's fun to go out and support the program out at Portland Community College, Automotive Collision. If you know anybody that's looking for a career, maybe 4-year degree isn't quite right for them, our industry needs technicians, and it needs them bad. And it's not just our industry, it's electricians, it's plumbers, it's aviation, diesel mechanic, automotive technician. The vocational training has really gone away from a lot of our high schools. So it's a really great opportunity to make really good money, and there's nothing but jobs out there. So get out there. If you're looking to figure out what you're going to do after high school, talk to some people. Talk to some people in these programs. They're there to help fill up the holes in these industries. So hope you enjoyed the little run through the cars. I was busy at the booth. I didn't have time to run through all the cars. Just a couple that I liked. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.